In this video, we will use a smart switch relay to control the automatic gate system and the gate light system. First, we will look at the wire connection for this whole system. For more information on wire connection, you can watch my previous video. We will use the 2 or 4 channel smart switch relay to control the Autogate and lights. First of all, we will provide power supply to the smart switch relay by 12 volt. Secondly, we will make a connection to control the Autogate. Lastly, we will make a connection to control the gate light. After pairing the device with apps on mobile phone, we now can control the Autogate and gate lights using mobile phone. The gate lights can also be controlled depending on the weather and time settings.